Big super there. A Johnstown crossing once again. We see where them Isle roads, my viewers and sub. So my viewers, while me a blog, I see one of my loyal subscriber.
Yeah, man.
Morning to you guys. The whole world I look for you.
All day.
You say you're watching me every day I call Connecticut. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. Big super there. A Johnstown crossing once again. And we'll make a walk towards in the direction of Lyssons. And you know, that piece of road it kind of undermined because some rain did fall shortly after them do it up. And after the rainfall, the whole light start to flake up, start to sink, and a crocus bag of things start to take place upon it, people. So I make a walk this morning because we see them come back now and I roll it over back. Them dig off most of the clay where they dip on it. It looked like it was a clay substance dip on it that caused the problem. So them dig off most of it and them a maul it over, them a roll it over and things. So we just a walk this morning and look on the stretch of road that we are going towards the Lyssons bakery. We don't know as usual if we're going to see anybody to talk with, but we just make the walk this morning and do some observation upon the road work where it take place. And with the writer, one of the drain them, that one I lead from up Johnstown, come down here, so one of the gully here. And we don't know why them work on the gully them last. That is one of the questions I have to ask at all time I walk on the road. Because me think them would have work on the drainage system, the sidewalk and the gutter them. I thought them would have worked on them something there first. But I realize them work on them thing there last. Yeah, so we see where them Isle road. Yeah, alright my brethren, alright. We see where them Isle road, my viewers and sub. So you see from the road out here Isle, that means the next approach is to asphalt it. So them maul it, them roll it, and now my viewers and sub, them Isle road out of Johnstown here, right at the crossing to Lyssons. So we just a look, I will see where them also sun it, because you can see the sun on the surface. So road work improvement taking place, and you must also take in consideration that this is the A4 road, the road that links Portland and Kingston. So this road is a main road, my viewers and subscribers. This road is a main road. So this road, it was asphalted about, I think in February, I stand corrected, sometime in February of this year. And roughly about 6 months after, somewhere in between that, the road started to deteriorate. And them have to come back and do some work on it, my viewers and so. Yeah, them have to come back and do some work on it. So them dig off that red soil where you see them did roll. Them have to end up take it off back and put on the white substance, the maul, because it seems like that red clay thing never did work out and things. So them get most of it out of the way now. So I guess them all come now and asphalt it. So when them asphalt it, we will give you further update upon it. But right now, we're in the vicinity between the Johnstown crossing and we are walk down to the bakery, but we're there almost in front of the jerk center. And we just look at the roadway. We take a look at the road condition and the situation of the road out here in Lyssons. Yeah, we just look at the situation out here and just keep you guys up to date on what taking place around this side here and make you guys see. So right at this vicinity here where we at is right to this section here. It's right to this section here we see where them start or whether I say them stop. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So them island road people, so the road surface look like it ready to put on the asphalt in now. So and over here, so you know them guys make them fancy blocks and all these things where you can get. I don't know if you can see the phone number up there on the tree there. I try draw it in, but maybe my camera and all that good, but you guys can see it. So my viewers and stuff, we're out here, we're out in Lyssons and the road coming on, but we have some issues. We want to find out one to the drain. Yeah, one to the drain them on the gutter. See two of them, the people, a project. Them run from that side of the road and them run go across the other side of the road. But them that the plastic pipe people and them no asphalt. Yeah, them plastic pipe they're not really asphalt. They're not concrete, I should say, they're not concrete. And you know when they're not concrete, you know, when the weight of the road take them have a way to collapse. Some of viewers and sub, as you can see, we are getting an update out here on Lyssons Road. Them did asphalt this first piece here, them did come and them prepare that part here. Them nobody really have to dig up that part there so much. But further down the road them have to do a lot of digging up to get that section of the road one track. So big super out here with the right in front, the jerk center. Yeah, with the right in front of the jerk center. And we just make a walk. We walk go out to the Lyssons Bridge. So stick and stay. So my viewers, while me a blog, I see one of my loyal subscribers.
Yeah,
Money to you guys. The whole world I look for you.
All day.
You say you're watching me every day I call Connecticut.
Every day.
Which part in America? Where you find them place there?
Connecticut is next to New York.
Next to New York?
Yeah, man.
And me have over the lock.
How are you?
So me just keep the people them update on the little piece of road where I take
that.
place.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
So I'm just
Yeah, because what happens is that less than 6 months them do it and it collapse.
I've been following you.
Yeah. So them come back and them dig it up and them put on some mall on it.
But it's a different company I do it now, right?
Yeah, it look like it's a different company.
Because that guy me see you pick him up already up Trintyville way.
Yeah.
And now he's down here.
Yeah. So
white, grey.
Yeah. So them look like them know more about the road thing than thing. Yeah, so how life treating you guys?
You can't complain.
You can't complain. Well, big up on yourself. I'm glad that you guys are part of the family and I could actually talk with my subscribers them. Because most of the time I want my subscribers them pull over, you know. And talk with me, you know.
Me spot you.
You spot me? Yeah.
From we reach St.Thomas, I wonder if we're going to see Big Super.
Yeah. So you guys originate in St.Thomas?
I am from Duane Pen.
From Duane Pen?
Yeah.
And then she does get full of St.Thomas?
Yes.
And then because there is not much of crime here, so she have everything that's wonderful in St.Thomas.
She's actually an American.
Yeah, she's American. Yeah. Well, she's a Jamaican now.
Jamaican. We've been together since kids.
Okay.
Yes,
them relationship are good enough.
Yes, since
but just give me 2 minutes to tell me and tell the world, you see, what is the secret to stay so long together?
You know, you have to compromise and have a strong, good wife.
You have to have a strong, good wife.
Yeah,
Because enough time you
because
want, sometimes you want to stray and she pull you and say, watch out now, man. Shake up
Share
yourself,
my
boy.
strength.
Don't it, mommy?
And the strength.
Yeah, you have to
strength.
grab him and say, watch out now, man.
Yeah,
Focus.
man,
Give some tongue.
Focus.
Yeah, man, she have to tumble sometimes.
Well, alright. Give the world a thumbs up.
Respect.
I'm glad to see you now.
Love the work you're
Every
doing.
time.
Yeah.
Beautiful work you do.
Yeah.
Keep spreading the word.
Alright, peace.
Thank you.